Hello friends, let's start with business and financial market update. Tata Motors subsidiary Tata Technologies is heading for an initial public offering, that is IPO. Almost 2 decades after IT bellwether Tata Consultancy Services became the last Tata Group firm to test Indian public markets in 2004. Pune-based Tata Technologies IPO consists of an offer for sale up to 95.71 million shares, representing up to 23.6% of its paid-up share capital. The offer for sale comprises of 81.13 million equity shares by Tata Motors, 9.71 million shares by Alpha TC Holdings Private Limited and up to 4.86 million shares by Tata Capital Growth Fund 1, each representing up to 20%, 2.4% and 1.2% respectively of Tata Technologies paid-up share capital. Tata Technologies provide global clients engineering services that include product development, digital resistance. Some key sectors which it serves are automobiles, original equipment manufacturers, aerospace, transport and construction. The company's revenue from operations for the 9-month period ended December 31, 2022 and December 31, 2021 was Rs 3,011 crore and 2,607 crore. Its employee count grew from 8,620 as of March 31, 2022, 11,081 in December 31, 2022. Tata Technologies, which is headed by Varun Harris, operates in the engineering and product development space. Its global engineering research and development spend for 2021 was approximately $1.61 trillion. The expenditure is expected to grow to $2.28 to $2.33 trillion by 2025. Moving on, shares of Hind Rectifiers soared 18% to Rs 231.65 in Friday's intraday trade after the company announces that the start of commercial production of a new plant. The commercial production at new manufacturing plant situated at Sinnar, Nasik, Maharashtra has been successfully commenced with effect from March 9, 2023, Hind Rectifiers said. The company said it has constructed around 12,900 square meters at Sinnar plant. The benefits of these new production lines at Sinnar will, however, be availed in the following years from 2023 to 2024 onwards. Further, the company said it continues to focus on expanding its product range by way developing new products in-house. This commercial production will generate additional revenue for company. The company said it is dedicated to accelerate revenue growth and improve productivity in order to achieve significant margin expansion. Hind Rectifiers is principally engaged in developing, designing, manufacturing and marketing power semiconductors, power electronic equipments and railway transportation equipments. Moving on, shares of KSB surged 9% to Rs 2,128 in Friday's intraday trade in otherwise a weak market. The stock of the company, one of the world's leading supplier of pumps, valves and systems, traced close to its record high level of Rs 2,171, which it had touched on October 13, 2022 on healthy order book positions. In the past 10 trading days, shares of KSB rallied 15% after they recorded outstanding growth in the fourth quarter from October 2022 to December 2022. Net profit jumped 43% year on year to 54.2 crore rupees from 37.9 crore rupees. In a year ago quarter, sales too grew 18% year on year to 524.6 crore rupees, whereas operating profit margin improved 200 basis points to 15% from 13% in quarter 4 financial year 21. The company has maintained growth in profitability through meticulous planning, continuous cost saving and operational synergies. KSB said it has highest order intake of rupees 2,045.6 crore in 2022. The company scaled new highs this quarter on the back of significant order inflow from almost all segments like firefighting, nuclear, energy, commercial, building, solar, wastewater, agriculture and domestic too. Moving on, shares of Titagarh Wagons hit a new high of Rs 258.1 as they gained 4% on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade in an otherwise weak market. In comparison, the S&P BSE Sensex was down 1.1%. In past 4 trading days, the stock has rallied 21% after the consortium of Titagarh Wagons and Bharat Electricals emerged as the second lowest bidder for manufacturing maintenance of Vande Bharat transits, including upgradation of government manufacturing units and transits As per financial bid opening dated March 1, 2023, this consortium has been declared L2. The total quantity in 200 transits, and as per tender conditions, L2 is eligible to get 80 transits. The quote for L1 bidder is Rs 120 crore per transit, the company said in an exchange filing. Titagarh Wagons is mainly engaged in the manufacturing and selling of freight wagons, passenger coaches, metro trains, train electricals, steel castings, specialized equipments and bridges, ships, etc. Moving on, shares of Equitas Small Finance Bank, that is SFB, slipped 13% to Rs 63.81 on BSE in Friday's intraday trade, following the listing of its new 789.53 million shares pursuant to the amalgam of Equitas holdings with the bank. In the past 2 trading days, the stock has dipped 15%. It had hit a 52-week high of Rs 77.87 on Monday, that is March 6, 2023. 933.94 million shares of Equitas SFB have been cancelled on account of cross holdings, which were held by Equitas Holding in Equitas SFB, BSE said in notice dated March 9, 2023. Despite the decline in the last 2 sessions, the stock has outperformed the market by surging 17% over the past 3 months, as against 5% fall in the benchmark index. In the past 6 months, it has zoomed nearly 40% as compared to 1.12% decline in the Sensex. Moving on, shares of California-based Silicon Valley Bank, that is SVB, crashed 16% on Thursday after the tech-focused lender announced a $1.75 billion share sale. The share decline, which was worst in SVB's 35-year history, led to over $80 billion being wiped out in value from the other bank shares. SVB has warned that venture capital funding could remain constrained in the near term. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Financial Pulse for business and financial market updates.